So this is the magnetic latch ball joint mount from GoPro, and I'm going to unbox it for you. So like all GoPro items, they come with this lovely strip mechanism here to get in there. And then in the box, we have the mount. So paperwork wise, we've got clear instructions, clear as day, how the mechanism works, and how you can loosen and adjust the ball joint. So it's literally that in the box. So let's move that aside. And the paperwork, we don't need that anymore. Here we have it. So you may be familiar with this mounting system. This is a old school classic GoPro mounting system that a lot of people use for helmets and things like that. So in the GoPro camera box, it actually does come with something that this can connect to. So if you have any GoPro camera, you'll also have a sticky mount that this will clip to. Some of the GoPro accessories also have this mounting system, so you can quickly clip in and out, such as the handler or any of the other sort of selfie sticks. A lot of them have that mount, and other accessories too. And as you can see, it's a quick adjustment. So you tighten that up to lock the ball in place, loosen it, and then the ball's free to move around. And if over time this mechanism isn't tight enough, you can adjust that. Best to be done when it's open. You rotate this to the right to make it tighter, and then when you close it, it's even tighter. Look what happens if I loosen it. So even when it's tight, it can still move around. So this is where we get that adjustment down, so that when it's closed, it won't move, and when it's open, it will move. That's it there. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do is quickly show you how it actually works. So with your GoPro camera, you're just going to line these two bits up, put it into place, and boom, it's clipped in. And to operate and open it, you're just going to press either side and then it comes off. And look, it actually goes both ways. So you can use it in either orientation. Not all mounting systems can do that. So that's really, really useful. And just to be clear, it also doesn't feel like it's repelling the magnets. The magnets just work both ways. Really, really useful. You see how quick that is to come on and off. So I'm just pressing these buttons either side to release. And then when it's clipped on, it's nice and solid like that. You press both sides and it comes straight off. And again, let's look at this mechanism. You loosen that bit off, and that's just like a little switch sort of thing. And then that can move around and you can reorientate it, and then you close it. So that would be useful if you're like here and then you're like, oh, I want to quickly look at that way, or even just rotate it round for a selfie. You could do that and then spin it back round to the other way. Or you could spin it back round by releasing it and then clipping it back into place. My favorite thing about it is that it's got these anti-rotation pins in there, so that you know the camera is solid on there. It's not going to rotate, it's not going to go anywhere. It is solid. So probably the best magnetic system, the magnetic mounting system that we have. Now, it's not magnets that hold it into place, that's additional, but it's the magnets that kind of guide it on, because it's really these two clips on the edges here that hold it into place in combination with the magnets and these different anti-rotation poles. Solid system.